Well, good night, Marjorie.
Good night, dear.
And good night, Peter.
Good night, Father.
Father, we have a lovely life, don't we?
Well, yes, Peter, we do.
Is our owner terribly rich?
In a funny sort of way, Peter, yes, he is. It's more that he is looking after other people's money for them, and then spending it.
Oh, that's very kind of him.
Yes, Peter. Yes, it is.
When I grow up, I want to be a politician just like him.
Do you, my darling little duckling?
I do, Daddy, I do.
Well, good night.
Good night, Daddy.
And don't quack, or I shall have to beat you.